In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code to Webflow. Quick tutorial. First, make sure you're signed in to your Webflow account and on the dashboard. Head to your Sites area, then open the project you want to work on by clicking Open in Webflow to launch the designer. That's where we'll add the custom code. Inside the designer, open the Navigator panel on the left. This shows the structure of your page, and it's the easiest way to target the exact section, container, or div where you want your code to live. Click to highlight the element that should contain your embed so Webflow knows where to place it. Now, open the Add panel. You'll see tabs like Layouts and Elements. Elements is where we'll find the embed component. If you don't see it right away, use the search field and type Embed. When the embed component appears, select it to add it to the page. If you had something highlighted in the Navigator, the embed will drop right into that spot, keeping your layout clean and predictable. When the embed component is added, a code editor opens. This is where you paste your custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript snippet. Keep your snippet minimal and well-formed, and only include what's necessary. If your code references external scripts, make sure they load over HTTPS and that you're not duplicating libraries already loaded by your site. If you see a prompt directing you to website plans, that's because access to this feature may require a paid Webflow account or an active site plan. Click through to view the website options and confirm your plan if needed. Once that's set, you can return to your project and continue with the embed component. A quick but important note. Scripts don't run inside the designer preview. That's expected. To test your embedded script in action, publish your site and check the live URL, or export your site's code if that's your workflow. After publishing, give your browser a hard refresh to clear any cache so you're seeing the latest changes. If something doesn't behave as expected, revisit the embed editor, confirm your tags are closed properly, and check your console for errors on the published page. Small syntax issues can prevent a script from loading, and duplicate IDs or conflicting CSS can cause styling glitches. That's it. You navigated to your site, opened the designer, targeted the right spot with the Navigator, added the embed from Elements, and prepared your code for publishing. Publish to verify everything is working, and you're done.